Alright, so let's create a digital background animation in After Effects. First, I create a new composition. You can see my composition settings on my screen. Then I'm going to create a new solid layer, name it as a background. Then I search an effect called turbulent noise and add it to this layer. Let's see the settings. So first I changed fractal type as dynamic. Then I changed noise type as block. And then I increased the contrast around 200%. Also, I decreased the brightness around 50% to get this look. And then I open the transform property, and here we can scale up this design. Next, we can play with the evolution to animate this design. So I am using expression for this. To apply the expression, hold Alt on the keyboard and click on the evolution stopwatch to open the expression panel in our timeline. Then enter simple expression time asterisk 300, and you can click anywhere to confirm this expression. And now you can see our blocks are moving very gently. After that, I search another effect called CC ball action and then add it to this layer. Let's see its settings. So first, I change its grid spacing 3, and then I change its ball size to 40 to get this look. And then I search a tritone effect and add it to this layer. Then I simply change the midtone color to a light pink color. So that's how you can create a digital background animation in After Effects.